Well, we finally have it. The MX of Nations or MX of Nations, whatever you want to call it, American team has been announced as I'm today, as I'm reading this, and it consists of Chase Sexton, who is in the 2022 winning team, Aaron Plessinger, who is taking his second consecutive year, and in the 250 or MX2 class, whatever you want to call it, we have Chance Hymas. We do have a quote from Chase Sexton saying, "There is no greater honor than getting the opportunity to show your real patriotism on a world stage and represent your country overseas. I've had the opportunity part of the winning Team USA before, and there's no greater feeling than standing on top of the podium waving the red, white, and blue. I'm lucky enough to get that chance to do it again this year alongside two great teammates. I couldn't ask for more American loving teammate than Aaron, who I know will give it all as he has all season. Uh, Chance, I know well, and he has shown a lot of speed all season long. So looking forward to building the bond with the boys and Vi, sorry, for the top spot in the UK in a few weeks. Now, obviously, Chase is going to be in the MXGP class. Aaron Plessinger is going to be running the Open class with Hymas running the MX2. So it's not a bad team when you consider it. I mean, you've got motocross champions, you've got, a young kid who's showing a lot of speed. You've got Plessinger, who is going to try because he is, let's put it nicely, Mr. America. Um, he did he did say it's an honor to be chosen to represent the team, the US this year. It's been a dream of mine for as long as I can remember to race motocross nations. This is Hymas. It means so much to get the support from Team Honda HRC and the AMA. I can't thank Mike Pelletier enough for believing in me and giving me this opportunity to go represent my country against the best in the world. Now, obviously, you're going to have both Lawrence's for Australia. You've got, all the people from around the world, and I like the MX Nations. I think it's a good thing. It happens every single year. I've seen a lot of people saying it should happen every three, and I'm fine with it happening every year. You get to see the best in the world every single time. You're not having this weird gap where somebody might be injured or too old or who knows. But obviously, with Tomac ruling himself out, this is your team, and I'd like to hear from you guys. Comments down below. Do you think this is good? Do you think they're gonna win? Do you think we have a chance? Whatever it is, would you have preferred Tomac over one of the two, or would you have liked Deegan over Hymas? Whatever it is, comment down below. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I will see y'all later. Peace.